right after a down market and they're frustrated, a lot of times they will go after these annuities because they just want to feel whole. Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guarantee Retirement Guy. Today I want to talk to you about premium bonus annuities. Free cash, right? Well, is it free? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, these bonus annuities, it could be a premium bonus or could be a benefit-based bonus. Let's talk about that. Okay, for a premium bonus, it really is what they're saying it is. Your premium, if it's a $500,000, and let's say they're giving you a 10% bonus, they're gonna put $50,000 in that account. Now, the fine print is you can't actually withdraw that. It's vested over like 10 years. And if you're looking for growth over the long term, you're not gonna get as much growth. Like if they're providing a cap of, let's say 12% on the S&P for a no bonus product, then for a bonus product, they might lower that cap to like 7%, okay? So you have to remember that if you take a bonus up front, they're going to throttle your future gains, okay? And some people are okay with that, but it's just still good to know, okay? Some people, especially if they are right after a down market and they're frustrated, a lot of times they will go after these annuities because they just want to feel whole. Okay, they're just like, I've got $1 million and now it's $900,000. I need to get back to even. And so they'll buy one of these bonus annuities. And of course, the only way to get back to even is through a premium bonus. So we can do that. If you're looking for a replacement, a lot of times you got surrender charges and you have to have a bonus in order to actually do a replacement. Of course, you don't want to do a replacement unless it is going to give you a substantial higher benefit than your older annuity, okay? Otherwise, don't do it, okay? A lot of guys will want to replace it. If it's a small benefit, I don't know if I do it. There's commissions involved, there's conflicts of interest involved, and when you have those at play, it's very easy to sit there and try to justify convincing a client to do it. For me, I'm just gonna lay it out. I say, look, you're gonna lose this much. Here's how much the bonus is gonna give you. The income looks like it's gonna be, well, we already know it's gonna be. It's gonna be guaranteed to be this amount. Here's what the income of yours current one's gonna be. Do you wanna do it? I hate pushing people into replacements because I want it to be completely their decision, okay? But a bonus annuity can definitely help when you're looking to replace and get a product that is superior, okay? So, but if you're looking for growth, beware of premium bonuses because you will have your gains throttled for the rest of the time after that, okay? Just remember that. Don't buy an annuity just for the bonus because there's other things at play. Sometimes there's annuities that have no bonus. They have a much higher growth rate during the surrender charge period, or they have a higher income because they have a higher withdrawal rate or a higher growth rate in the benefit value. Okay, maybe they have a bonus for the benefit, the income benefit, but not for the premium. And if your goal is income, usually those are a lot better than the free money they're giving you for the premium. Okay, so just remember that. So if you're looking for annuities, you want someone in your corner, someone who's going to educate you, who's going to show you the pros and cons of both decisions, that's me. Okay, there's a link below this video, goes directly to my calendar. Okay, we'll talk about your annuity questions. And if you're looking for income, we'll look at the highest income annuities available. And those are usually found with the income rider. Okay, if you're looking for just growth, straight growth, maybe we'll look at some indexed annuities with like National Life Group or Mass Mutual or Delaware, or even Allianz has some decent ones. There's a lot of good growth annuities out there. But again, you have to remember they're hypothetical. So those are good growth. You've got some fixed annuities right now, like the MIGAs. They're paying out like 5% right now. Those are good too. So there's a lot of good stuff going right now. And of course, that's probably the reason why annuity sales are up to $450 billion this year versus $200 billion just a few years ago. Okay, because people want more guarantees. People are retiring at a higher rate, and rates are just so good right now. People are taking advantage of it. So if that's something you want to do, book a call. Okay. Again, there's a link below this, and it'll go straight to my calendar, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I won't try to sell you anything or try to high pressure sales pitch, anything like that. No one likes that. Okay. No one likes to be sold, right? So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.